Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you a little plastic welding that you can do around the house. We have here a Pyrex casserole dish with a plastic lid. Really nice dish, and we don't want to get rid of it. But unfortunately there's a big crack all the way down the lid here. So all we're going to do is we're going to take some plastic zip ties here and a soldering iron. And we're going to melt our plastic here. And then when you have very low spots, like large holes and low spots in there, we're going to use the zip ties to fill it all in. Alright, so if you look at this now real close, you'll see what I've done is I did a little piece here and then I put a little, kind of like a spot weld if you're welding metal, just to hold it together. So it's not super strong, but it's going to hold it in place if you have a very, very long split like this. Now that we have those kind of holding it together, we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to melt it all the way down. And then we'll flip it over. And then we'll melt it all down the other side here as well. Alright, so now right here there's a hole. We can't really seal that in, so we're just going to take a couple zip ties. You just take ones that are kind of close enough to the color that you're using. This won't really match spot on, but it'll be close enough. And all you're going to do is you're just going to kind of smooth it down just to fill that hole in. Alright folks, so the end result there, not too bad, pretty firm. This is pretty functional. We're just going to throw it back onto our glass container here. Now it's not showroom quality obviously, but it is holding on there. So that's all there is to it. And then hopefully this helps you with your soldering needs with fixing broken plastic. And as always folks, please like and subscribe.